Hi everyone, I'm Miss Bea, and I'm a speech therapist assistant. And today I'm going to be sharing with you just a couple ways you can target the VB-MAPP LRFFC goal, or Listener Responding Function Feature class. And this is level 2 and number 8. This goal is selecting an item from a field of 10 or from a book for 25 different verb, noun, rotating what questions. So let's see how we can do that together. Hi, so I'm going to show you how to target this LRFFC goal number 8. And what that goal is selecting an item from a field of 10 or from a book for 25 different noun, verb, or verb, noun questions with rotating what questions. So which, what, and who. Now what that goal looks like is a little like this. So you're going to have an array of pictures or icons. And this particular material we've created and is really good for this goal. It can also help with targeting what questions and fill in the blank in the early stages of that goal. But this one, you're going to have your array of 10, and the end goal is having this array of 10, and then you're going to ask those rotating what questions. And you're going to say, what does mommy and daddy drive? And they're going to pick the car. And they can take it off, or you can leave it back, you can leave it on, whichever is fun for them. And then you're going to say, which one do I read? And they have to pick the book. Who says meow, meow, meow? And they have to pick the cat. Now this is the end goal from selecting from a field of 10, so obviously you're not going to start that off. You're going to lower this field. To a field of 3. Now, a field of 3, you can start asking those same questions. What do you drink? Which one do you kick? Who says meow? Now, when you're first starting off with this goal, you can ask all 3 of those questions, but if they're having a little trouble, you can just start off with 2. So, what do you drink? Good job. You drink a juice, good job. Or, which one do you kick? You kick a ball. Good job. Once they've got the hang of those 2 questions, then you can introduce the 3rd question. Who says meow? So then you hit all 3 questions. But take your time, don't rush, and make it fun. Now, another way to target this goal is actually using a book. And this is really fun. It's one of our favorite ways. But you don't want to pick a book that has too many pictures on the page. Something really simple, something really not too busy. And you can just pick which pages you want them to look at. You don't have to do the whole book, but it's kind of fun if you can. In between the pages, they get to do the story. So I'll show you how that looks like with the book. So you're going to rotate the questions again. So what does a rabbit like to eat? And they're going to pick out the carrots down here on the bottom, or here. Which one is sweet? And there's a couple different options on here, so they can pick which one. So there's a cupcake or ice cream that they can pick from. And then, who is licking the ice cream? And they're going to pick the kitty cat because he's licking that ice cream. And this is how you can do it with this book. And then here's another page. And this one's fun because it has a bunch of different pictures that are really simple. And you would say the same 3 rotating questions again. And you can pick whichever one you want to do, whichever questions you want to ask, as long as they're what, which, and who questions. Now, another fun way to target this goal is actually using just toys you have at home. So you can start off with obviously just a couple toys, 3, and you're going to ask those same rotating what questions. What do you sit in? And they're going to pick the chair. Which one do we take pictures with? They're going to pick the camera. And then, who likes to eat grass? Moo. And this is also a fun way because then they get to actually play with the toys afterwards. So this is just a couple ways you can target those goals. Now if you have any idea, like have some trouble coming up with questions or how to ask the questions, feel free to let us know and we'll give you some ideas. Thank you.